We booked the hotel through Agoda and paid £45 a night, including breakfast, which I must admit seems like a real bargain now for the standard of hotel. It's a 5-minute drive to Sevilla FC's stadium, and the hotel was chosen to host the team when La Liga resumed, so they'd had plenty of practice at putting all of their plans into place before reopening to the public. You have to wear a mask in all the common areas of the hotel, and there were distance markers and hand sanitizer at the check-in desk. They even asked us to put the pen that we'd used to sign into a box for disinfecting afterwards. The breakfast was great. Wearing a mask, you take a tray to be served food from behind plexiglass. You can toast your own bread and get self-serve drinks, provided you wear disposable gloves as well. And just like a buffet, you can have as much or as little as you like. We found that there was hand sanitizer in each lift too, as well as at various points throughout the hotel. So this is room 314 in the NH Collection Hotel in Sevilla. We booked a superior room. When we came to check in, we were asked if we wanted to pay an additional €11 a night for an upgraded room, which we declined. But then the lady said that she'd given us the upgrade anyway, which was very nice of her, but I'll be perfectly honest and say that I've got no idea how this would differ from the superior room that we had booked, because it looks exactly the same on the photographs. The bed's huge, but it is two separate mattresses pushed together, but together it's probably easily as big, if not bigger, than a Super King. Bedside tables both sides with a reading light and power outlets, so very easy to charge your phone. On the other side of the room there's a small chair with a little sort of desk area, so that slides out, and then there's a main desk as well with the TV above. It's one of these like Nespresso type pod machines. There's also a separate kettle, which is quite good. And they give you a selection, a few different pods each day in sealed bags, and the same with the cups, those are in a sealed bag as well. There's towels for the pool, which you get downstairs. One thing I have noticed with the requirements for keeping things clean with COVID is they've removed items that aren't needed in the room, so there's no extra sort of pillows, throws, that sort of thing. Which is quite good because you just end up chucking them on a chair anyway, or at least we do. The view from the room here is not bad. It's the road below and sort of a partial bit of wall here. I've had worse views in a hotel. The aircon's really, really good in here, keeping the room nice and cool because it is very, very hot here in Sevilla at the end of July. There is a small fridge. And we were able to remove one of the shelves so that we could store large bottles of water in there. And then there's a safe below. There's space to store a bag above. You've got a few drawers. And then this side, there's another bit of wardrobe space. So the bathroom, single sink, shelf underneath with towels, bin. There's a tissue dispenser and a vanity mirror, which is quite good for doing makeup. The shower is over a bath, so there's a separate shower unit and then an additional one in the bath, which is a bit bizarre because you have to stand in the bath and then there's the extra shower hose there, but not a big deal. The heated towel rail, and there's a couple of hooks up there for towels as well. Hairdryer, and there's a shaver point, and then this glass door divides the toilet, so you can close that to the bathroom and then it closes the other way onto the toilet, so that's just usual WC and a bidet as well. It does seem very clean, the room. The gym is currently closed. The pool is open, but to be perfectly honest, we did go down to try and use it yesterday and it was absolutely heaving with people. There doesn't seem to be any measures to really reduce capacity in the pool, and we just felt it looked too busy, so we gave it a miss in the end. But really, really nice hotel, good location, well worth a look if you're coming to Sevilla soon.